Hi, this is Zak Mir, editor of Spreadbet Magazine, with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Thursday, October the 9th. And I'm starting off with Bahamas Petroleum, where I was looking to make a call on the stock overnight, as I normally do, but today we've got the 25% rise in the shares to follow on from the big move we saw yesterday. Current situation is that even after all the recent gains, the RSI is not actually overbought yet, so there could be a little bit more upside. The favoured destination at the moment is the top of a March rising trend channel at 5.5 pence. And that's the target while there's no end of day close back below the 4 pence level, which is the top of today's gap and also former April-May resistance. So hopefully new support coming in at old resistance for Bahamas Petroleum. Next up is a bigger stock than I normally look at here for the bulletin board heroes. Comes in the form of Centamin, where there's been quite a sharp decline from the best levels of the year through 75 pence. But we've got this extended basing towards the floor of a rising trend channel from March, and also the 200-day moving average shown here in black at 59 pence. This basing looks like it's sort of nearly complete now, especially with the recent recovery in gold as well. The view now is that while we're above, say, 57 pence, which was the September intraday floor, we would be looking for a return or a partial return to the best levels of the year, initial target towards 65, 67 pence over the next 2 to 4 weeks. Finishing off with a favourite of many private investors at the moment. It's not difficult to see why, given the massive outperformance that we've seen since the beginning of June. Shares look to have rebounded again after the retracement from 1.8 pence at the end of September. Situation is probably that while we remain or we hold the 1.2 pence support, intraday support of the day so far on Thursday, we could retrace part or even all of the move down from the September peak, with a final target going into November as high as 2 pence, which would be the top of the rising late May price channel. That's it from me. More updates at spreadbetmagazine.com.